discuss about the case study topic on the microwave engineering. So in this microwave engineering, we have selected one of the topic is microwave oven. So before going to see this microwave oven topic, the first thing we have to discuss about what are all the disadvantages in the previous method and why we are going for the new method. So in earlier days, they have used conventional methods. So what are all the disadvantages in conventional methods? Can anyone tell me?
I'm using gas stoves now. It takes more time now. It is uneven.
So the cooking will be uneven. At the same time, time is not sufficient. So that is what we have moved to the next method. So what is the method now we are using is the microwave oven. So what are all the features in the microwave oven and what type of frequencies we are using? Suppose if we are taking some of the specifications in the microwave oven means we are using 2.5 gigahertz for the heating purpose. You can start now.
Microwave oven is one of the versatile household appliances. It is used for rapid heating like cooking, steaming, etc. Why we are using microwave oven? Because it is more sufficient, energy fast and rapid heating. The magnetron is used in this microwave oven. The frequency range is 2.45 gigahertz. Magnetron generates the radiation in the microwave oven. Then move to wave generation. It penetrates the food and produce polar molecules to heat the food.
Okay. The main purpose is we have to heat the food. So that is the main purpose of this microwave oven. So for that heating purpose, we are going for the microwave frequencies. Please.
Next, coming to the working process, ma'am. Now we tell about the heating is the main process. We all have one doubt: how it work, how it heat the food in the oven, what kind of process inside are happening. Now coming to the working, first of all we switch on the microwave oven. The electrical flow produce the magnetron inside. The magnetrons only convert the heat and electrical energy into microwaves, ma'am. If we kept inside the food, the microwaves touch the food because the food hall have the water molecules, ma'am. When the microwaves touches the water molecules, it converts the heat energy. So how that the heat energy produce the heat into the food, ma'am. And we all also know the microwave oven was if we kept the food inside, it will be rotate inside, ma'am. Because the heat was produced surrounding the food all over the food, so only the rotating process was happening inside, ma'am. And also having the advantages like we can set the times and the controls and alert the users. Like we kept the food inside and we can set the time up to 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So it will stop the threshold time. If the threshold time comes, it will stop the producing the microwaves and stop the process. So the users can easily use the microwave oven to heat the food or cook the food.
As Dhanush said, the main purpose is heating. So there are so many oscillators we are using in the microwave. But in addition to this microwave oven, we are going for only one type of oscillator, which is nothing but the magnetron oscillator.
Nowadays, all humans need to sophisticated and need to reduce the work. So the most persons are cooking is easier to simpler like microwave oven. It is reduce the time and there are most parts in that microwave oven, which is the main door, which prevents the radiation outcomes, and then the turner, which auto-rotates the heat and spreads more heat and comfortably to the all parts of the food. And as he said, the drained heat is generated into the food and it drained after it will cook. Then it is moves toward the eating part, and then coming to the next application part, it is used in cooking and daily usage of bakeries items like puffs, cakes, daily usage using like microwave ovens. Then next applications part, it is used to mainly convert the electric energy to heat energy.
So these are all the applications we have seen. What are all the applications that have been used in our microwave?
So coming to my part, first of all, good afternoon to everyone. So at now we are discussing about the microwave oven. So what are the main needs of using of microwave oven more than the conventional method? It was like preheating or eating or cooking and other bakery, like you said, of other baking methods. So can anyone tell what oscillator we have used in microwave oven? So it was magnetron, which was a frequency between 2.45 gigahertz. So why does we need a micro oven basically?
To cook something
easily and comfortably.
Yeah, one of the greatest point of for to reduce the human needs of human work, and at the today's life we need our time of precious of, so we need the time, so important. So at next of like he said, microwave works of like a dielectric medium, which was convert the electrical energy into heat energy. Like the friend of Dhanush told that the microwave rotates to 360 degree to cook uneven food to the even one. So at the conventional method, we cannot say that the food was completely cooked. So microwave can be used for the 360 rotation. So at, like my friend said, how the working has been done was the oscillator magnetron, which was produce the microwave. It just like vibrates the water molecule and cooks the food inside. So why does the conventional method is not so adapt to cook like a microwave? Can anyone explain why does we need microwave?
we can't set timers in olden period. That nowadays
And we want to spend the time for cooking in the stove. Or if we using the microwave oven, we can keep inside the food and we can do some another important works or to.
It does not need manual work.
Good point, and all others told us a good point. So all the points are very good, but we use the microwave to preheat, to cook, to keep the food as a. Many of members like to eat the food so hot. So for that we use the microwave, which was dielectric and magnetron oscillator which was used. So first of all, microwave, we can set timer. Yeah, one of the greatest useful of this today's world. So timer, we may forgot food which was kept in the gas stove. We set the timer and it comes alarm signals, so we can stop our food, and it was evenly cooked. So it was better way to use of microwave in daily usage.
And another part will be we can set the timer. In old age period, we can't know how much of the time take this food. We can't identify that.
Yeah.
And some foods are using the cooking time, they spoil the food. So in the oven we can set the timer. It will perfectly cook the food and give it to the users.
Automation at peak.
Yeah, automation at peak was one of the greatest point of our today technical world. So at first of our microwave, like see before said the microwave is the one of the greatest of the all time to cook our food evenly. And many of foods are takes a different time of cooking. So at first of vegetables take 10 minutes, but the chicken takes 7 minutes. More than
takes
just 2 minutes. Yeah, Maggie takes just 2 minutes of today's advertisement advertisement. So for that we use this microwave which was evenly cooked and better taste, and we does not require to eat and we does not take any burn injuries like sort of conventional method. So like this we use the microwave great for conventional method.
Coming to the conclusion, Parman, we all are set about the points, and mostly all the points are said. And mainly this usage is used for the people's comfort. Telling my friend told like that we can't get any injury or fire injuries like that, and we can set the timers to easily cook and user comfort. And it's ultimately it will be converts the electrical energy into heat energy, but it's not happen directly. Like electrical energy to microwave, and it touches the water molecules in the food, then only it's produce the heat energy. So these are the main advantages in the microwave.
Okay, just you all got an idea about why we are going for the microwave oven. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.